Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump straight into this video. We are about to get into waxing. I've been seeing this brand all over Target, the Flamingo brand, but I've never tried it out before. I always purchase my at-home wax strips, but I've never tried this specific brand, so I decided to give it a go. It came in a cute box, and inside the box was a little envelope, which is not how a lot of other wax strips come, so I thought that was cute. And all of the things that you need are inside the envelope with instructions, your post-wax care, and your wax strips. So it's 24 strips in a box, and all you have to do is peel them apart, which will reveal the wax on both sides, so you'll have two strips. So my leg was looking kind of ashy, kind of dry, kind of hairy. So I'm just going to take my wax strip and lay it onto my skin. And when I lay the wax strip on, I always like kind of rub it to kind of warm the wax up. I feel like it snatches away easier. And if you see at the bottom of the strip, you see little ziggly wiggly lines. I'm going to hold my wax strip at that end and pull in the opposite way of the way my hair is growing. And when I do this, I'm gonna pull my skin taut, so it's either at the bottom or in the back, whichever way you choose to hold your skin. I chose at the bottom, and I'm just gonna snatch the wax strip away. Alright, so I'm using the same wax strip as I just did, and I'm putting it on the back of my leg on a different section. And you can get at least 2 or 3 snatches away from one wax strip. It might not be as clean as the first time, but it's definitely going to snatch hairs off. And this is what my wax strip looks like after I've snatched all of the hair off my legs. I'm just going to continue to use my wax strips and just go over my whole leg with the wax strips. And once I'm done this leg, I'm just going to move on to my other leg and just continue to snatch away until all of the hair is gone. Once I'm done snatching all of the hair off my legs, I'm going to use my post-wax wipes. And these are just little wipes that are saturated in oil. You can use coconut oil, baby oil, or olive oil, whatever kind of oil you want to use. But since I have the wipes, I'm going to use the wipes. And these are just to remove the excess wax that was left on your legs from the strips. Next, I'm going to move on to my thighs. Yes, I wax my thighs too. And I'm just going to take strips and snatch them away at my thighs, and I always snatch upward. Whenever I snatch my wax strips away, I make sure to snatch in a direction that is close to my skin versus pulling it away from my skin. Alright, so now moving up to under my belly button. I know some women have hair there and some don't. I don't have a lot of hair there. I feel like it's because I wax it. But sometimes I get like little stragglers. So I'm just going to cut my wax strip in half. I'm going to take the little strip with the ziggly parts face down, and I'm going to place it under my belly button. And I'm just going to do the same motion as I've been doing, making sure to hold my skin taut and just snatch it upward. Once I'm done waxing, I'm just going to take some olive oil and I'm just pouring it onto my skin, and I'm putting this on my legs and under my belly button, everywhere that I waxed. And this is what the end result looked like. I recommend waxing to anyone that's kind of like on the go and don't have time to shave. I recommend buying a at-home wax kit because it's easy, it's simple, and it's straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. I'm out. Peace. Bye.